£10 a ticket, anyone can enter, and it could be yours. And you could literally own it for a tenner. Hi, I'm Dom, and welcome to my workshop. Let's try and ignore her. What do you want? I don't know what. I'm trying to film for YouTube. You've got a lot of fans on there, but if they see you acting like this, they're not going to be your friend anymore. Wendy, sit. Stay. Is she going to stay there? No, look. No. Right, hang on. I'm going to take her outside. I'll come back in a bit. Sorry. All right, we're going. Right, quick, before she comes back. Anyway, where do I start with this little Vespa? The yellow peril it's become. Going back right to the very beginning. We were filming Repair Shop, February, March, beginning of March. Everything's normal, everything's going well, super busy. All of a sudden, COVID, we're going to stop filming. So, oh no, what on earth am I going to do? I just packed up all my tools the last day of filming and just left, got back here, unloaded it, and then that was that. I've been talking about starting a YouTube channel for quite a while, but I wasn't confident enough to start doing it straight away. Even though I'm filming for Repair Shop, it's different having someone filming you. It's a job, and you get used to kind of like sort of separating yourself and that just becoming a job. All of a sudden, when it's just me here in the workshop on my own, it's very odd. So I thought, you know what? If I'm going to try this and give it a go, why don't I get myself a project, something new, something fresh, and then I can film myself doing that something. Start to finish, during lockdown, a couple of months, we'll finish it. Looking around on eBay, and this little Vespa was there. Been sitting outside in someone's garden for years. I was like, you know what? That's perfect. I'll document the whole process of restoring it, and then I'll have a Vespa at the end of it. I didn't quite appreciate how bad this Vespa was, and it was a wreck. I've done quite a lot of welding on Vespas before, and this had rusted in places that I'd never had to repair before. First day, tore it all apart, took that shot. We've got a really cool picture of it from above. Whoa, this is a big project. I filmed it all on my phone and put it all on my stories on Instagram. They're all still on there, actually, so if you haven't seen them all, you can go back onto my Instagram and watch all of the stories, but every single one is still saved on there. Every single nut and bolt and washer and spring and gasket has been cleaned, repaired, replaced if needed, and the whole thing has been rebuilt. Making new panels, a brand new floor, sanding, priming, filling, priming, sanding. Got a really good match to the original paint and sort of touched in the paint, and then there was a bit of spraying and repairing of the paint. Following grew and grew and grew, and I was like, you know what, I should just make the leap and put it on YouTube. Rebuilding the engine, of the Vespa engine with the sort of gearbox built into it was a new experience. The exhaust, the front end, the suspension, it turned into a mammoth job. It's now been down to JB Tuning. It's been on their dyno, set up perfectly. It's got an electronic ignition, and to have it running and riding now and driving and ready is a really nice feeling. The feeling of satisfaction now when I can sit back and look at it, and best of all, jump on it and go for a ride, is, you can't beat it. The nicest thing about restoring the Vespa and making it public was sharing it with you guys, and I really mean that. The comments and the feedback and the messages, the sort of network of people has been so good. Usually I'm just here on my own, doing it on my own, getting through the troubles and getting through it all, and just having my own little mental stresses here internally and just keeping it all in the workshop. But it's a new experience having shared it with you guys, and I've actually really enjoyed it. If it wasn't for you guys, I really don't think I would have finished this restoration. Sending the messages and comments spurring me on and cheering me on and encouraging me to see it done and get it finished, and donating parts, things like the headlight and the the speedo. When I got stuck with the wiring, people messaging me saying, try this, try that, what about this, get in touch with this person, they might know. It's just been brilliant. So I honestly can't thank you enough. The Vespa has given me the opportunity to film for YouTube, and that is now becoming my life and my career almost, of filming for YouTube, I hope. I've had my fun, I've enjoyed restoring it. That was the good bit, that's what I really love. And I've put a few miles on it now riding around, but the thing I wanted to do was save another Vespa, get it back on the road, and it's done. We've saved another one, good job me. I feel like it's now the right time to do something good for you guys.
Dominic, you finished that yet?
Jay!
Hey?
Yes, all right.
It's done. So now this is all fixed up, yeah? This is just going to go back in your garage. Is that what you're going to do with it?
Well, no. The community that this has created has been so good. All my followers on Instagram and YouTube have been so helpful throughout the whole process, donating parts, knowledge, sharing, and just spurring me on to finish it. I thought, what better thing to do than offer it off to charity. £10 a ticket, anyone can enter, and it could be yours.
Hold on. Everybody puts £10 in, get a ticket,
yeah,
and then there's going to be one winner, and all the money goes to charity.
All of the money from everyone will go to charity, and it's registered, it's on the road, it's insured, I've been riding it around, it's ready to go.
Over a year he's been working on this, and now he's just going to give it away. But as you said, it's the community that's come together, supported you to get this done. It's done. Give it back to the community.
Give it back, exactly.
£10, I'm in.
Thanks, Jay. Click on the link below, there'll be a link in the description below, or this link here. Donate £10 and that will enter you into the draw. That's like buying a couple of beers in the pub. It's £10 per entry. So if you want to enter 2-3 times, you have to re-enter 2 or 3 times. You can't put £20. That's quite important. And all of the money is going to go to the Alzheimer Society. It's a charity that is close to my heart. It's not all profits go to the charity. Every penny that goes in there, every penny that anyone donates, will go straight to the charity. I'm not taking any of it. You know exactly how much work I've put into the Vespa and what I've done and what I've bought and what I've put into it. And you could literally own it for a tenner. There'll be terms and conditions. They'll be on the website, and so please do check those out. That's important because there has got to be some jargon to go with it. Enter as many times as you like and let's make some money for charity. I'm going to miss it, the little Vespa. I really will. But I think we're doing a good thing. It's Friday now, end of June. So the draw is going to be open for 1 month. So the end of July is going to be the last day. If you want your chance to win the Vespa for £10, click on the link below and it could be yours for a tenner.
Get your ticket now, before I do.